Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction in Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Is spring here? What weighted sentiments say about Bitcoin, BNB, XRP, Polkadot? As winter moves into spring, will the longer days and blooming flowers perhaps wield a positive influence on investor sentiment? Here's what the data had to say. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Early on 13 March, Sentiment released data to show what investor moods were saying about price expectations. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin BTC, BNB, and XRP were all positive, but still lower than 0.1. Even so, Sentiment theorized that this was a signal that traders had bullish ambitions for the assets. However, by press time, Bitcoin's weighted sentiment had fallen back into negative territory and clocked in at -0.614. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin previously took a hard fall under zero when the asset's price dropped from $44,000, showing that market uncertainty wasn't about to end and contributed at the end of the auction, making it the third parachain by the amount of DOT contributions so far. The project is focused on innovating and taking DeFi usability to the next level, with a more secure and user-friendly decentralized platform to appeal to the masses. With parallel finance on board, PairState hopes to increase the participation of users from the Polkadot ecosystem in the Geminis network crowdloan, as well as promote long-term cooperation between both platforms. About Parallel Finance is a technology company that specializes in decentralized finance-related services and products, which include lending, trading, staking, and derivatives on multi-chains. Parallel Finance is a leader in the development and innovation of DeFi for the adoption of the WEB3 revolution, and plans to bring DeFi to 1 billion people. About PairState, known as Ethereum on steroids, PairState is a multi-chain smart contract platform bridging the application and developer ecosystem between Polkadot, Substrate, and Ethereum, as well as other chains wanting to provide Ethereum compatibility. While supporting the EVM palette to provide seamless compatibility with all existing Ethereum applications, PairState also provides developers with a next-gen smart contract implementation environment, Ethereum-flavored WebAssembly. These two infrastructures are ensured to talk to each other and share the same account system on PairState. IMX arrival came at a time when the crypto market began its rally only to recover later. Well, soon after marking an all-time high of $9.3, the altcoin began falling. By 6 March, it had lost almost 87.68% of its value. This affected its investors quite severely, since most of them entered the market around its launch, when the price was way above the recent bottom of $1.15. As a result of the 4K total investors on the chain, 99.5% of them fell into a loss. This figure has since reduced thanks to the 58.3% rally witnessed by IMX over the week. Trading at $1.8 at the time of this report, the rise in tokens value managed to save 4% of the investors from losses, enabling XCM to expedite trusted communications between any two paired chains. By adding support for NFTs on XCM, Polkadot, and Kusama have essentially created the concept of multi-chain NFTs that can live on any blockchain within their respective networks. It could pave the way for NFTs to play a far more prominent role in business transactions, with the tokens used as payment or to represent an order or something else. It will also allow NFT holders to better leverage their tokens, for example by borrowing capital from a DeFi platform on a different chain, using their NFT as collateral. Interoperable NFTs would also help to accelerate adoption, others believe. At present, the NFT landscape is quite fractured. While most are based on the Ethereum blockchain, there are many that are not. That has led to the rise of multiple NFT marketplaces for each type of token, adding confusion to the space for new users. By making it possible for NFTs to teleport onto other chains, Polkadot and Kusama will help to eliminate much of the confusion around them and accelerate adoption. Polkadot Parachain Parallel Finance deploys full suite of DeFi capabilities. The Polkadot and Kusama Parachain Hub Parallel Finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Hyco Finance, which is Parallel Finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Hako's vision as an integrated DeFi pair chain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the new products will all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot pair chain. In fact, the project combines not one, but 3 separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an undercollateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for pair chain auctions. As always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot DOT a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot DOT prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The DOTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.